Hi YouTube, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my auto repair videos. This is a bit different video, but in this video I'm going to show you how to flip down the seat in a 2003-2007 Honda Accord. Now usually you want to flip down the seat, or actually in the middle there is a compartment that you can flip down if you need to reach something in the back. But you might need to flip down the seat so you can have a bit more cargo space, especially if you have something really wide and something really long that you need the space of much bigger space than just a trunk. Then you might need to flip down the seat. Now it's actually a bit self-explanatory. They actually have a lot of signs indicating how to flip down the seat. Regularly, you should be able to take your key and insert it in this little lock back here. It says on here, you can't see it from here though. You can't see it from there though, but it says unlock seat back. Now if you put the key in here and you turn it, regularly you should be able to pull the seat down. Now, if you have a stubborn seat, I'm going to show you how to flip it down. Actually, if you have a stubborn key. So if you need to flip down your seat and the key does not work, there's actually a lever that will allow you to pull down the seat, and it's actually in the trunk. So let's go. Alright, so back here in the trunk, if you look up here, you can see that there's this sort of lever that you can pull back, and that is what that mechanism is what releases the seat. Now if you look closely right here, this is where the key actually goes. So if you turn the key, actually when you turn this, you can see that the place where the key goes actually moves. So that's why the key works. Now if we have a stubborn key like this, normally you could, from the back, you could pull the lever, and if you have a long enough reach, which I don't, you can try to push out the seat from here. But you can also get someone else to, while you're pulling the lever, you can also ask someone else to pull the seat back. Now, if you have neither someone to help you or long reach, you can also just do it from inside, and I'll show you how. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to pull this middle seat down, open up this door, and you can see that we can reach the trunk from here. So if you have neither someone to help you nor long enough arms, then this trick is gonna help you with pulling the seat down. So I'm gonna try to be explaining it from my perspective, so actually it's from your perspective too. So what you want to do is you're gonna want to take your hand, you want to gonna reach around for the lever, and from your perspective you're gonna want to push the lever, and now you can hear that it's unlocking the seat mechanism. So now you can just push the seat back. Oh. And there we go. Alright, so I'm Aiman, and I just showed you how to flip down the back seat for a 2003-2007 Honda Accord. Now you can see that this seatbelt right here might be blocking the way for some of your bigger items. So the next video we're going to do is how to remove the rear seatbelt, because that might actually be part of removing the entire seat. So go check that out if you need to, and I'll see you there. So I'm Aiman, thanks for watching. If you like, comment, subscribe, look at other videos on EYeOnAiman, especially the videos I recommended and the auto repair videos. And I'll see you next time. Signing out. Peace.